Hi, my name is Henderson, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about VivoGut before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about VivoGut supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video, and also fixed in the comments. So what is VivoGut, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. VivoGut is a premium, all-natural digestive supplement designed to support gut health, enhance digestion, and improve overall wellness. If you're dealing with bloating, indigestion, or discomfort after meals, VivoGut offers a gentle, effective solution to restore balance to your digestive system. Packed with a powerful blend of herbs, probiotics, and prebiotics, VivoGut nourishes the gut microbiome, helping alleviate common digestive issues such as constipation, gas, and indigestion. Unlike harsh chemical alternatives, VivoGut provides natural relief without compromising your body's health. With scientifically backed ingredients, VivoGut soothes the stomach, improves nutrient absorption, and strengthens the immune system. Its all-natural formula works in harmony with your body to support smooth, efficient digestion and overall well-being. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive products that do not give any results. Make a test with VivoGut and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use VivoGut 100% safely without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end. And if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.